Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about boosting your charm and magnetism. We're going to uncover the 10 habits that will make you more attractive and get people to like you. So, if you're ready to enhance your appeal and connect with others on a deeper level, let's get started. Segment 1: Genuine Smiles. One of the simplest yet most powerful habits is to smile genuinely. A warm smile is universally appealing and instantly creates a positive atmosphere, making people naturally drawn to you. Segment 2: Active Listening. Developing the habit of active listening is key. Paying full attention when someone is speaking not only makes them feel valued, but it also opens up avenues for meaningful conversations. Segment 3: Positive Attitude. Maintaining a positive attitude is infectious. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positivity, as it makes interactions enjoyable and uplifting. Segment 4: Empathy. Cultivating empathy is a habit that can truly transform your relationships. Understanding and genuinely caring about others' feelings helps forge deep connections. Segment 5: Authenticity. Being authentic is incredibly attractive. Embrace your quirks and flaws. People are more likely to connect with you when you're genuine and comfortable in your own skin. Segment 6: Humility. Practicing humility is a powerful habit. Avoid being boastful and instead, show appreciation for others' achievements and contributions. Segment 7: Self-improvement. A habit of continuous self-improvement signals growth and ambition. People are drawn to those who are dedicated to evolving and learning. Segment 8: Kindness. Kindness is a habit that leaves a lasting impact. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, create positive impressions and attract people who appreciate your compassion. Segment 9: Body Language. Mastering positive body language is crucial. Open gestures, maintaining eye contact, and standing tall all communicate confidence and approachability. Segment 10: Supportive Nature. Developing a habit of being supportive can win hearts. People are naturally drawn to those who offer a helping hand and encourage their success. And that wraps up our exploration of the 10 habits that will make you more attractive and get people to like you. Incorporating these habits into your daily life can truly elevate your interactions and make you a magnet for positive connections. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more transformative content. Until next time, keep shining and cultivating those irresistible habits. See you soon.